Shona bridal price. Explained. The first term we have is rora. This directly translates to dowry. This is basically the bridal price that the groom's family pays to the bride. The next we have munyai. So obviously the groom can't speak. So what? We need a mediator. So the munyai is the spokesman who speaks on behalf of the groom's family. After this, we have vuramuromo. This fee is paid to open your mouth, so to start negotiations. Next, we have ndiro. Ndiro is the plate, and this plate is where the groom's family would place their money for the specific payments and negotiations. The next, we have sunungura homwe. This literally translates to loosen your pockets. So this transaction is made to actually allow you to then make further payments. Tell me, is this enough payments? Should they make more? What do we think about Rora?